in continuation of the earlier video which was posted on success and failure. I want to highlight 2 points which bring success or which are success in themselves, and 2 points which are failure or which bring failure in life. The first point is knowing and ignorance. True knowing about your dream and dream based on true knowing is actually success. Without knowing without knowing about the dream, we cannot achieve success. We will keep failing all the time. So we must know what is the basis of our dream, why we have such a dream, and how we can achieve that dream into reality. The second thing is about loyalty. We may choose our dreams based on what the things that dream is going to offer to us. Like I always wanted to become an IAS officer, Indian Administrative Services officer, because it was a post which had so much power, so much name and fame, so many privileges. Those were the basis of myself aspiring to become an IAS officer. But that is not the real thing to have a dream. Which the privileges which come with a dream, that becomes our basis to select that dream. Similarly, our dream also has a criteria through which it selects people. Our dream is not a passive one. It is not a non-living thing or a dead thing, that it will not have any say in you becoming what your dream is. Our dreams also select us on the basis of loyalty or devotion. If we are loyal to our dream will choose us. But if we are not loyal, if we are not devoted to our dream will never choose us. Once we achieve our dream, we can become something else. Like I wanted to become an IAS officer, and if I was loyal to UPSC exam, I would have become an IAS officer, and then I would have become a corrupted officer. Becoming something in future and abusing your dream is a different thing, but till we achieve it, loyalty to the dream is very necessary. If we are not loyal to our dream will also not be loyal to us, and it will not choose us. These two things, knowing, absolute knowing about your dream and its basis, and loyalty to the dream or disloyalty to the dream, are the two things which leads to all kinds of success and all kinds of failures in life perennially.